Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. In previous class we have discussed harmonic progression, geometric mean, geometric progression, arithmetic mean and arithmetic progression. Now in harmonic progression, so I am going to discuss that. Third problem, read the third question. If mth term of a HP is n and nth term is m, then m plus nth term is, there is a question. So mth term given, that is tm. Tm is equal to n. Tn is equal to m. Now we need to find t of m plus nth term. Tm plus n, this is the question mark. These are in HP series, harmonic progression. Convert into AP. How to write? Just reciprocal. Now, Tm is equal to 1 by n. Tn is equal to 1 by m. Tm plus n we need to find. These are in AP series. AP series, HP series, both are reciprocals to each other. Reciprocal of AP is HP. Reciprocal of HP is AP. What is nth term in AP series formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term in AP series formula. Okay. Now Tm given. Tm means what we have to write? A plus m minus 1 into d. That is equal to 1 by n. Same like that Tn, that is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 1 by m. This is 1, this is 2. Solve these two equations. Solve these two equations, we get a value and d value. Then we will find easily Tm plus n. So a plus m minus 1 into d, that is equal to 1 by n. A plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 1 by m. Now both I am going to do that subtraction, minus. That means here minus, minus, here also minus. These two terms is going to cancel. Now in between these two, take d common. Remaining I am writing m minus 1 minus n minus into minus plus 1 d, that is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n. After this, 1 minus 1 cancel. We get m minus n into d. Right hand side take the LCM. Mn is the LCM. Numerator we get m minus n. See, m minus n cancel. What is the d value here? 1 by mn. We got d. Now we need a value. How we get? Substitute either first equation or second equation. I am going to substitute in second equation. See, a plus n minus 1 into d. D means 1 by mn, that is equal to 1 by m. A plus, multiply here n into 1 by mn. Nn cancel, we get 1 by m, minus 1 into 1 by mn, 1 by mn, that is 1 by m. 1 by m cancel. Now what is a value? 1 by mn. We got a value also. and D also. Now we need to find Tm plus n term. What is Tm plus n? Tm plus n. Tn, nth term formula already we know that. Just in place of n, replace m plus n. A plus m plus n minus 1 into 1 by mn. 1 by mn. Now this is how to do the calculation, tell me. And a value also 1 by mn. So instead of a we can write 1 by mn. See here, take 1 by n common in both the terms. Remaining what is there? 1 plus m plus n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. We get m plus n by mn. This is Tmn, m plus n, sorry. This is in AP series. We have to write HP series now. This is in AP series, but they are asking HP series. Just write the reciprocal, you will get the answer in HP series. That is mn by m plus n. This is in HP series. HP series. Students, still up to here, please copy that. So which option is correct, students? A, B, C, R in AP means 2B is equal to A plus C. A, B, C, R in GP means B square is equal to AC. A, B, C, R in HP, this is the formula. 2 by B, that is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. These are the three formulas. Remember it. These three, remember it, please. Now, here A, B, C are in HP, then find AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 50. So A, B, C are in HP means what is the condition? 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Here do some calculation. AC, numerator will come C plus A. Here left hand side 2 by B. Okay. Now take cross multiplication. 2AC is equal to BC plus AB. Finally, we got this condition. See the question, what they are asking, AB plus BC plus CA, that value is 15, find CA. What is AB plus BC value? Already we got here. AB plus BC value is 2AC or 2CA. Anyone you can write, no problem. CA, AC both are same only. That is 15. 3CA is equal to 15. Then what is CA value? 5. This is the answer. This is a very easy question, but